how to operate this machine. Okay, for these two buttons, this is for material feeding. It is manually controlled. This is also manually controlled material to be back, in case you need to deal with it. I tried. Okay, it is for material forward, backward. Okay, we wish to explain you again. Start delay refers to the sensor. The sensor to feel the machine bed move for 5 times, and this machine will receive a signal for start material feeding. Okay, so the delay distance is 5 seconds, and feeding length refers to the material width. It is called a feeding length here. Feeding speed. Don't need to do setting. Jog speed, it is used in the manual mode. If you wish to, for example, you wish to advance it by manually or backward manually, it can refer to the speed here. Compensation refers to, for example, the final product width is need some compensation in the feeding length. You can do the setting here. You can click and input the value. This is the technical data for this machine. If you have any questions about this machine and the whole production line setup, don't hesitate to contact us. Choose best machine, choose professional supplier. Special thanks to our customer from Tunisia. Our machines are widely exported to more than 35 countries. We offer comprehensive overseas training programs. If you wish to learn more about this machine and the detailed price list, welcome to contact us. Welcome to visit our company website for more detailed information. This is our company website. Welcome to email us. This number is our WhatsApp number. Welcome to contact us by WhatsApp. Welcome to add our WeChat. Welcome to subscribe our channel. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your kind watching. Thank you.